This isn't just another telescope discovery, it's something far darker, far stranger.
When we see a blue galaxy, that tends to be a younger galaxy full of bright, hot, newly formed stars.
What if the most powerful telescope ever built has revealed something we were never supposed to witness?
Some of the first Webb images released were of the Southern Ring Nebula. This is a planetary nebula, which is a star at the very end of its life.
The James Webb Space Telescope aimed its gaze into the deepest corners of the cosmos, but what it captured there has shaken scientists to their core.
NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has hardly opened its eyes, and the universe is new, more mysterious, more beautiful than humanity's dreams.
A Nobel Prize-winning physicist broke his silence with one chilling statement: "This is not our universe."
The first stars and galaxies are really the big mystery for us. We don't know how that happened, we don't know when it happened, we don't know what those first stars were like.
Could it be true? Has our entire understanding of space, time, and reality begun to collapse? Something unsettling is emerging from the darkness. Let's dive in. The impossible galaxy. In a quiet corner of space, far beyond familiar stars, the James Webb Space Telescope captured something astonishing: a tiny, distant speck of yellow light. At first glance, it seemed ordinary, but when astronomers examined it closely, their understanding of the universe shattered.
So we can actually measure things like how fast it's forming stars. We can measure the amount of stars in the galaxy. We know the size because we know how far away it is. And we know the typical age of the stars in the galaxy, so we know a lot.
This glowing spot turned out to be the oldest galaxy ever observed, dating back just 290 million years after the supposed Big Bang. Yet, this wasn't the startling part. The galaxy was impossibly massive, bright, and complex, traits thought impossible for something born so soon after the universe's birth. Existing theories insist there wasn't enough time, matter, or energy to form such massive galaxies this early. The universe should have been too young, too chaotic, and too primitive. Yet, there it was, defying every scientific law we trusted. The discovery sparked deeper scrutiny, revealing even more unsettling findings. Webb didn't detect just one such galaxy, but dozens, each one massive, radiant, and inexplicably ancient. Scientists soon faced a haunting realization: these galaxies aren't just improbable, they're impossible by our current models. They convert nearly all their available matter directly into stars, leaving no leftover gas or dust. This goes against every known pattern of galaxy formation. How could these structures exist at all? If our fundamental understanding of cosmic evolution can't explain them, what are we really seeing? Now, astronomers are confronted with a chilling question. Perhaps these aren't galaxies in the traditional sense. Maybe there's something entirely different, a fragment from a past universe, a doorway to another dimension, or even evidence of realities that exist parallel to our own. Whatever they are, these impossible galaxies stand as cosmic riddles, challenging the very fabric of reality and reminding us how little we truly understand about the universe around us. Signals beyond the edge. Galaxies weren't the only strange things that Webb detected. Far beyond our cosmic boundary, something even more perplexing emerged: a faint, rhythmic pulse resonating from the depths of space. Webb's sensitive instruments, tuned to measure the universe's subtle background hum, picked up a steady frequency, unlike anything previously known. It wasn't the predictable beat of a pulsar, nor the ripple of gravitational waves.
When this happened, the two locked into a special configuration known as a mean motion resonance. This is where the planets begin to interact gravitationally in a very coherent manner. And now, locked as a unit, the two reversed their migration course and moved back out.
Instead, astronomers described it cautiously as the heartbeat beyond time. The truly unsettling aspect: this signal follows an intentional mathematical pattern. as if deliberately encoded to be found. Scientists, both intrigued and disturbed, struggled to explain its origin. Traditional astrophysics offered no answers. Some suggested it might be evidence of exotic matter, mysterious particles theorized to exist beyond our observable universe. Others wondered quietly, could this be a deliberate message, an intentional broadcast from an unknown source? As if the universe wasn't mysterious enough, Webb also identified invisible gravitational anomalies. Massive yet undetectable structures exert powerful gravitational pulls, distorting space-time in ways we can't explain. Visible galaxies and cosmic objects simply aren't enough to account for these phantom fields. Their existence points to an unsettling possibility that we might be feeling the gravitational echoes of another universe brushing against our own. This isn't simply dark matter. It's an entirely new phenomenon, hinting at realms beyond human comprehension. Some cosmologists now seriously consider the idea of multiple universes stacked invisibly upon each other.
They are, in some sense, different kinds of universes, but for me, it's very aesthetically pleasing.
Are these signals and gravitational fingerprints evidence of a universe hidden just beyond our perception, perhaps a mirror reality running parallel, reflecting ours in reverse? The James Webb Space Telescope was intended to help us see clearly into the past. Instead, it has revealed something profoundly unsettling. Our reality may not be the only one, and the signals we've detected might be the first whispers of a universe we weren't supposed to find. The cosmic echo. Among Webb's most startling discoveries is the phenomenon scientists call the cosmic echo. While tracking ancient light from the edge of the observable universe, Webb detected a signal that defied expectations. This light should have faded away long ago, lost in the vastness of space. Instead, it reappeared, not from the original direction or time, but carrying the same unique spectral fingerprint as before. It was as if the light had bounced back from something mysterious at the universe's boundary. Researchers debated the meaning of this echo. One explanation suggests the light traveled around the curvature of the universe, implying that space is finite and loops back on itself. This idea alone would revolutionize our understanding of cosmic geometry. However, there's a darker possibility. The light hit an unknown structure at the universe's edge, something capable of reflecting or redirecting it. Though such an object shouldn't exist according to current models, this cosmic echo hints at a boundary or barrier between our universe and something else beyond, perhaps another universe or a hidden dimension. It forces scientists to question whether the universe has edges, and if so, what lies beyond them. The echo is not just a signal. It's a message that challenges the very nature of space, time, and existence. As we try to decode this reflection from the cosmos, one truth becomes clear. The universe is far stranger than we ever imagined, and its secrets may lie just beyond the limits of what we can currently see. A universe in question. The James Webb Telescope was built to provide clarity, to unravel cosmic mysteries and solidify our understanding of the universe's origins. Instead, its discoveries have pushed scientists toward a profoundly unsettling crossroads. Renowned physicists are now openly questioning whether our entire framework of reality needs to be rethought. Could it be possible that the universe never had a beginning? Perhaps our understanding of time itself is fundamentally flawed. Webb's findings, the impossible galaxies, the strange signals, and the cosmic echoes don't fit into current theories. They're forcing scientists to face the possibility that the Big Bang might not be the ultimate explanation. Some researchers suggest we might be observing evidence of a collision with another universe, or even encountering remnants of older, pre-existing realities. If true, the implications are staggering. Our universe might not be unique, but one of countless others within an unimaginably vast multiverse. The laws of physics we thought absolute could merely be local rules, applicable only within our tiny cosmic neighborhood. The unsettling idea is emerging that our universe may exist in a fragile equilibrium, entangled with realities we cannot see, touch, or fully comprehend. The discoveries of the Webb telescope aren't just scientific curiosities, they're existential revelations. They force us to reconsider our place in reality, not merely as inhabitants of a single universe, but as transient travelers within something infinitely more complex and mysterious. We're left with more questions than answers, and perhaps that's exactly what the cosmos intended. The universe behind the universe. As humanity peers deeper into space, we're starting to realize that the universe we know may be just a veil hiding a far more profound reality. The data from the James Webb Space Telescope isn't merely rewriting cosmology, it's forcing us to confront a truth we may not be prepared to accept. What if the fabric of reality we've always trusted is simply one layer among countless others, each existing alongside our own? The impossible galaxies, rhythmic signals, cosmic echoes all suggest we're glimpsing something far older, stranger, and more expansive than our universe alone. Perhaps these anomalies are glimpses of a deeper structure, an ancient cosmos whose influence extends invisibly into ours, subtly shaping the universe we experience. We may be standing at the boundary of a hidden multiverse, touching worlds that have always existed parallel to ours, unseen yet profoundly connected. Nobel laureates and leading physicists now openly wonder if our universe is an isolated event or part of a timeless continuum. If reality is more layered than we've ever imagined, then everything we perceive, space, time, matter, might be mere shadows cast by a deeper, more fundamental realm. This raises the most significant question humanity has ever faced. What lies beyond our reality? And what happens if the walls between worlds aren't walls at all, but doorways waiting to be opened? The Webb telescope has shown us something we weren't meant to see. And perhaps now, at last, we're ready to accept the astonishing truth waiting beyond the edge of everything we know.
Now first, like always, be sure to hit the like button down below. It helps us out tremendously with the reach of this video. Thank you.
Facing the unknown. The revelations from the James Webb Space Telescope challenge us in ways no scientific discovery ever has before. We're not just questioning facts or theories, we're confronting the very nature of existence itself. If the universe we inhabit isn't the only one, if the foundations of space and time are fractured or overlapping with something beyond our understanding, then what does that mean for our place in the cosmos? This is more than abstract science. It touches on our deepest fears and hopes. The idea that we might be living on the edge of a larger, indifferent reality is unsettling. It strips away the comforting narrative that we are the center of everything, revealing instead a vast, mysterious cosmos far more complex and ancient than we imagined. Yet, within that uncertainty lies a profound opportunity. Many of them are now being referred to as little red dots, small in size, but blazing with the kind of energy we didn't think was possible so soon after the Big Bang. The James Webb Telescope has opened a new chapter of cosmic exploration, one that will push humanity to rethink everything, from physics and cosmology to philosophy and our sense of self. It calls on us to embrace mystery and the unknown, to accept that some questions may have no simple answers. As scientists continue to analyze Webb's astonishing data, the world waits. The universe may be whispering secrets long hidden beyond the veil. What we choose to do with that knowledge could redefine our future and our understanding of reality itself. So, as we stand at this cosmic crossroads, the question remains: are we ready to face the truth of what lies beyond? The edge of reality. The discoveries of the James Webb Space Telescope bring us face to face with a profound and unsettling possibility that the universe we know is not the whole story. As Webb peers beyond familiar boundaries, it reveals strange phenomena that defy explanation and hint at realities beyond our comprehension. We are no longer simply observers of distant galaxies, but witnesses to mysteries that challenge the very fabric of space and time. The telescope's revelations suggest we may be living at the edge of reality itself, where the known universe borders an unknown and possibly infinite multiverse. These invisible boundaries and cosmic echoes beckon us to reconsider everything we thought certain about existence. The comforting idea of a single, orderly universe gives way to a vision of layered dimensions, overlapping timelines, and perhaps even universes that run parallel to ours, but with completely different laws of physics. This new frontier raises as many questions as it answers. What is the nature of these phantom masses? Could they be the gravitational shadows of another universe pressing against ours? Are the rhythmic signals and cosmic echoes intentional communications or natural phenomena far beyond our current understanding? And if our universe is just one of many, what does that mean for life, consciousness, and the meaning we seek in the cosmos? As Webb continues to collect data, humanity stands on the brink of a cosmic revolution. The edge of reality is no longer a distant concept, but a frontier within our reach. What lies beyond that edge remains a mystery. But one thing is clear: our journey into the unknown has only just begun. What comes next? The James Webb Space Telescope has not only expanded our view of the cosmos, but also opened a doorway to questions that stretch beyond science into the very essence of reality. What comes next is a new era of discovery, one where our understanding of the universe will be tested, challenged, and perhaps completely transformed. Scientists around the world are now grappling with Webb's findings, developing new theories and models that might explain these cosmic anomalies. This process will require bold thinking and humility, as old assumptions are questioned and new possibilities explored. We may see shifts in fundamental physics, the birth of novel ideas about the multiverse, and even breakthroughs that could reshape how we view time, space, and matter. The implications stretch beyond academia. If we begin to accept that our universe is only one piece of a vast, interconnected cosmic puzzle, humanity's place in the grand scheme will need reimagining. Philosophers, theologians, and thinkers of all kinds will join the scientific conversation, exploring what this means for meaning, existence, and our future. For now, the James Webb Space Telescope continues to collect data, sending back signals from the edge of everything we know. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding whether we are truly alone or part of a much larger reality. The universe has blinked back at us, and the question is no longer if we will uncover its secrets, but when and how we will live with what we find. The adventure has only just begun, and the cosmos is waiting. A new cosmic perspective. The revelations from the James Webb Space Telescope force us to expand our perspective on the universe and our place within it. What once seemed like distant, immutable truths are now fluid and uncertain. This new cosmic perspective is both humbling and exhilarating. It reminds us that the universe is far larger and more mysterious than any human mind can fully grasp. The telescope's discoveries suggest that the universe is a complex tapestry, woven from layers we have yet to understand. Galaxies too ancient and massive, signals that defy known physics, and echoes that hint at boundaries between realities. These findings invite us to see our existence as part of a much greater cosmic story, one where the known and unknown coexist in delicate balance. As we absorb this shifting knowledge, it's clear that curiosity and open-mindedness are our greatest tools. The path forward is not just about seeking answers, but embracing the questions themselves. It is a journey that challenges us to rethink what is possible and to accept that some mysteries may never be fully solved. This new perspective also deepens our connection to the cosmos. We are no longer distant spectators, but active participants in a universe that is still unfolding its secrets. The James Webb Space Telescope has shown us that reality is richer and stranger than we imagined, and it invites us to continue exploring with wonder and courage. In the end, the greatest discovery may be the realization that the universe is not a fixed stage, but a living, evolving mystery, and we are part of its unfolding story. The journey ahead. The James Webb Space Telescope has illuminated a path into the unknown, inviting humanity to embark on a journey unlike any before. Its discoveries have unsettled our deepest assumptions, revealing cosmic puzzles that challenge the foundation of physics, cosmology, and even reality itself. Yet, within this uncertainty lies immense potential, a chance to redefine everything we thought we knew about the universe. As scientists analyze Webb's data, new questions will arise alongside new theories. This ongoing exploration will require collaboration across disciplines, blending astronomy, quantum physics, and philosophy. It may lead to breakthroughs that transform our understanding of time, space, and existence. The journey ahead is not just scientific, but profoundly human. It demands humility to accept how little we truly know, courage to confront unsettling truths, and curiosity to keep seeking answers. The universe, as revealed by Webb, is no longer a distant backdrop, but an active participant in a mystery far greater than ourselves. For the public, this moment is an invitation to engage with the cosmos in a new way. The questions Webb raises touch on fundamental ideas about origin, meaning, and our place in the vastness of existence. Whether these revelations inspire wonder, fear, or awe, they unite us in the shared quest to understand the nature of reality. The universe may be stranger than fiction, but it is now within our reach to explore its depths more fully. The James Webb Space Telescope has opened a new chapter in human curiosity, a journey that will continue for generations. What lies beyond is unknown, but one thing is certain. We have only just begun to uncover the true face of the cosmos. The universe has always held secrets beyond our grasp, but now those secrets are closer than ever to being revealed. The James Webb Space Telescope has peeled back the veil, exposing mysteries that challenge everything we thought was certain. As we stand on the brink of this cosmic awakening, we must prepare for answers that may reshape our understanding of reality itself. The questions raised aren't just scientific, they're deeply personal, asking us to reconsider our place in an ever-expanding, unknowable cosmos. Stay curious, stay open, and keep watching, because the story of the universe is far from over.